Hey girl, tell me what it's like in your world. Tell me about your life, what's the deal?
Good morning. I hope y'all can see me. I'll be back. Okay, I've decided it is not important for you all to see me. It is important to see what I'm doing. So my last clip I showed you, I went to Walmart and I found these 11 by 17 frames that were so much cheaper. They're just front loading, like glass paneled ones, and they have a black rim, which I'm hoping, it's a really thin one, so I'm hoping it won't be too much of a problem. But the pictures that I wanted to print, so I printed a bunch of like vintage travel posters, which I love so much. I'm so excited. This is like the most ideal kind of artwork that I personally feel I could ever own. So I'm very excited and pleased about that. So this is 11 by 17. My prints, because I ordered them off Etsy, they're vintage travel posters, they come in like different sizes, and I ordered from Walgreens, which didn't have that much flexibility with the sizes you can print. So I just decided to print them all at 8 by 10, and then I need to mat out the rest. So like the pictures are gonna go kind of here, and I have to mat out the rest. So I'm making my own mats, which should hopefully go okay. My room has gold and like gold accents and then white. And so I was online and they basically said the best way to make your own matting, one of the ways is with wrapping paper. So I found gold wrapping paper at Walmart, and we are now going to cut out all of our mats. So you guys can watch me do that. Hi friends. So I took the cardboard that they had on the inside of the frames and literally just traced that to get the exact dimensions for my photo mats. And then to cut it out, you can use scissors, but I found that an X-Acto knife helped me be a little bit more precise in getting those, edges nice and straight. So someone came over and was building stuff for my mom, and I just asked him to go ahead and put the nails on the wall for me to hang my pictures because my mom did not trust my abilities to do so myself. So we have print number 1. It's so freaking pretty. And I'm just gonna tape it in the middle. Mom is also excited about this stuff, but they said double-sided tape, but I didn't want to purchase double-sided tape, so I'm just gonna go with this tape and call it a day. So I don't know, my mom said it looks fine, some of the wrapping paper, so like that one I cut super precise, but I guess some of it are a little bit too big, so they wrinkled. But these are my posters. This is Portugal, of course Paris, Martinique, Senegal, the Caribbean, and La Côte d'Azur, which is the French Riviera. It's been some time. I had to go to Lenox Mall to get the rest of my Christmas gifts, which was hellish, as you can imagine. But I'm home now. I put together my lamp and I did not film it because it was just a lot of screwing. I didn't think you guys wanted to watch me screw things, but yeah, you know what I mean. Anyways, here is the lamp. I think it's really cute. Let me turn it off. It's this little button here. Boop. Okay, it's white. It's got these brassy gold accents that I kind of have like all over my room. And I actually like that the cord is like cute. I didn't even notice this when I was looking at it in the store, but it is very cute. And she's plugged in. I'm probably gonna have to tuck the cord a little bit. It's adjustable. That's where I have it right now. Please ignore that. I'm gonna spray paint it gold. Now it's time for this. So let me get you all set up so we can assemble this together. Okay, so I got the MULIG, this one. Ugh. The MULIG clothing rack, not the Riga. The Riga's the really popular one. That one is like $12.99 and it can be found online. This one is $9.99 and it was the only one they had in stock at my store. Ikea has just been going up lately, so trying to find stuff that is in stock is mad hard. So we are gonna assemble it together. This looks simple. I pray it is, because my mom was literally like, if you don't know how to assemble this, I don't know what to tell you. And you know, she's correct. So let's get started. My bad. Okay, so it is relatively simple. To assemble this, you only need a screwdriver. I don't remember, this is a Phillips head, is all you need. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. That's what I'm pretty sure. All right, let's see. So this is the top. You're gonna get these two long ones, and they've given you like the nails and this little L-shaped thing. Let's see. This is shorter, so this is not. This little one that has gone in is going to go on the inside. The hole needs to be on the inside. This little hole here needs to be facing inwards to match up with this little hole. This is super simple. And then we get our screw. So you use one of these small ones and you're going to screw it in.
That shit every time.
Now we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so I have the frames all together. Okay, next step. We've done one and we've done two. We've only got two more to go, y'all. This is so simple. All right, it's these babies. This is step 2. So these are the smaller side. Does not really matter. And then they've given us these. Oh my gosh, I'm living. These more like lug nut looking things. And I use this to put it in. So I'm gonna put these two on. Put that in. Okay. Last step. And there's a hole. I gotta line the holes up. And we're done. This was so simple. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this in here and that in there. We're gonna use this as our little screwdriver. And then the other side, and then as you can see, this was something très simple. at my old house. It's just this like little storage thing. So yeah.